Alright, so in this video we are going to look at some questions, November 2022, G12, paper 1, mathematics. So let's see how many questions we can answer from there. Alright. So the first question says evaluate this. So I'll write it here. Now this negative, we can easily take it out. That is by reciprocating what is inside here. Alright, we can reciprocate what is inside here. So this will get 2 over 3. The moment you've reciprocated them, that negative is already tackled. Then this 2, it means we are squaring everything inside. That is 2 squared over 3 squared. And that will give you what? 4 over 9 as the answer. Pretty simple, isn't it? Question 2. So question 2 is here. Let's factorize completely. 2ax plus 4ay minus 3bx minus 6by. The way they are, there's no problem. We can group them because there's a here, there's a common, there's b here, there's b common. So let's just get what is common. 2 is common and a. So if I divide this into there, I'll just remain what? X. If I divide the 2 into that, I'll remain 2y. Let's try to get what is common. Negative is common, 3 is common, even b is common. If I divide this into there, I'm getting what? X. Negative into negative, positive, 3 into 6, we get 2 and a y. So you can see that what is here and what is here, they're the same, right? So what do? We collect what is outside the brackets. So 2a minus 3b. And you're just going to get one of these because it's a repeating factor. So 2y. Next question says simplify, which is question 3. 4x minus 5 plus 2x, expand now. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times there, 15 plus 2 should give us 12x minus what? 13. Alright, next we go to question 4. Let's go. Question 4 says what? Solve the equation. Alright, solve the equation. 4y squared minus 8y is equal to 0. So we can factorize 4 here and y. And what do we get? We get y here and we get 2 there, isn't it? Like that. Now some of you might be tempted to close this one the other side, then you divide. That one won't give you one solution. Now, well, the way it is here, we can get more than one solution. So we are going to say 4y, we equate it to 0. And we say y minus 2 also equate to what? To 0. So we divide by 4, we divide by 4. So end up getting your y is equal to 0. This is your first answer. Or your y is equal to 2. Which should be true because if I put 0 there, 0 to be 0, it will be 0. If I put 2 there, I'll be getting 16 minus 16, which is what? A 0. Next question. Next question says shade this. It's question 5. Shade this on a Venn diagram. Alright, now what are we trying to shade here? Here we are trying to shade a region, alright, where A is included but not B, and also C is what? Included. Are we there? A is included, C is included, but B is not included. So let's draw that Venn diagram. Okay. Let me do this. Let's do this part. We'll draw it nicely. Alright, then we have a circle here. Also have another circle there. And another circle there. Yeah, something like that. Alright, so we have, this is our A, our B, and our C. This is our E. So we are saying A union B complement. We are saying elements not found in B, but they are combining with A. Also, they are intersecting at C. So we just want elements to do with C and A only. So elements to do with C and A only. Like that. Done. The other question says a company declared a dividend of, so we are talking about a dividend of, just do this, question 6, dividend, alright, of 2 kwacha and 75 ngwe per share. Alright, then they are saying, just a minute, in the company, sorry, let's just scroll a bit this side. So they're saying a businessman, alright, sorry, invested how many shares? 560 shares in the company. So how much dividend did he get? How much dividend did he get? Right, so to find how much dividend he got, we know that one share is costing about 2 kwacha 75. And what of 560 shares? Now this is paper 1, we don't use calculators. Alright, so we are going to do it the harder way. So this will be X, which is the dividend in this case. Just do this. The dividend is equal to 560 multiplied by this. I can write it as a fraction of 100. That and that cancel. That's what I'm doing here. Attention. I think 5 can go into 10 twice. 5 can go into 27 5 times, remainder 2 again, so 225 55. I also know that 2 can go into there and 2 can go also into 56. Here we get 2 remainder 1, which will give us what? 28. So we have 28 multiplying by 55, which now we have to do as 28 multiplied by 55. We are doing this one together. Get 40 there, remainder 4. 10, get what? 14, put 0, 40 remainder 4, 10 and what? 14, of which we get 1540 kwacha. This is how much dividend he gets. Question 7, given that 2, -1, -4 are consecutive terms in an AP, find the common difference and the formula of the nth term. So our A, which is our first term here, is 2. Let me do this. Let me write the sequence. So the first term here is what we call A. So our A is 2. Now A, part A says the common difference, which is D. Now D is equal to second term minus first term. Or you can say third term minus second term, and so on. You get the term after and the term before, you subtract together. So our second term here is -1 minus, you can get our first term is 2. So our common difference is 3. Why is it called common difference? Because it's the same answer that I'm going to get if I get -4 minus -1 to be -4 plus 1, which is still -3. So the difference is common. between two consecutive terms. Right? That's for A. Then B, the common difference. Sorry, the formula for the nth term. So now the formula, nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. And what we have here, we have our A is 2, n is just n, our common difference is negative 3. So we're going to have 2, negative 3 times n, we get negative 3, and negative 3 times negative 1, we get positive 3. This 2 and that 3 gives us 5 minus 3n. That's our formula for the nth term. Good, right? So we end here. I'll see you in another revision.